Hello guys, this will be a quick one. I am getting ready to reinstall my rear fender on my Honda VTX 1300R, and this is the same way for the S. This has nothing to do with the C or other VTX 1300. This is only for the R and the S because we have classic or retro fender on the front and on the back. There's a way to do it and I will show you right now. So if you try to slide it from the top, you will scratch your fender because it doesn't go between the two support here. So if you do that with a tire on, you need to lift your bike because your fender need to really slip on the tire all the way until it get at this place. So I will lift my bike. So you go again, sit it on the tire. So you sit on the tire and you slide it between the support. Now it's passed. Now it's at this place. The only thing left to do is lift it. And even there, you need to be careful not to scratch your muffler or your flasher because it's going pretty close. You make sure it's slide. In front you have kind of two U shape, if I can say it like that, where there's the front bolt. You need to make sure these get in. After that you can put the rear bolt. There you go. Now we'll go install the front bolt. And it's easier not to tighten everything until all the bolts are in place. Now I have all the holes. I can reinstall my saddlebag, but before that I need to clean all the bike. But at least now you know you don't drop the fender from the top. You need to slide it on a tire and then lift it on the support because it doesn't pass here. As you can see, it got scratched pretty well. It's not me, it was there when I got the bike. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Bye.